I was born an underdog. The shortest, the smallest. My brother called me the softest, but all that talk left a chip on my shoulder. And that summer, I decided it was time they put some respect on my name. I grew up on this block, raised by the people in it. And this lady right here, my mama.
Have fun. Hurry up, Slowpoke.
How you gonna let him talk to you like that?
I was cool with all the kids on the block, but they were always bigger, faster, stronger. Except for this kid right here, Manuel. What he didn't have in game, he had in hustle. This year, Manny decided to organize a ball tournament down the block from my house. The prize was the newest Iversons, which I knew I could never afford no matter how many errands I ran for my mama. I knew I had to win those kicks. Before I knew it, the whole block was talking.
You're crazy. You know you can't guard me. Well, I'll play for that bigger right there. How about that? You know how I still can't go. I don't want a piece of that.
That's cap, bro.
Play for some Reebok.
I'll talk to her to play. You can go right now. You
let's go. Let's go then.
Come on. All right. Hey, don't stay out too late.
Hey, and don't stay out too late.
They were always trying to play me. Man, I got all the money I could find from my room, just enough to cover my buy-in for the tournament. They were trying to see me because they didn't fear me. They were sleeping on me.
You know what, bro? Take your fun.
Best believe I got that slot, though. And I get that respect, too. Manny took the money and brought the prize, Iversons. Everybody, and I mean everybody, wanted those. And I was gonna bust my to make sure them shoes was mine. You know what's funny? Growing up around here, we ain't have courts to play on or baskets to shoot off of, but we never cared about that. We just used what we had, took crates, and made our own. All right, so we got 8 teams, 2 versus 2, make it, take it. Game to 11. Clear ball on missed shots, call your own fouls, but no soft shots. The final 2 teams pick their favorite player and they go head to head, and we see who the last one's standing. You win, Iversons is yours. Easy as that. Check ball. I watched every single game, studied every player. I learned their strengths, their weaknesses, and I used the intel as a weapon.
I got more money with my young boys, though.
We gonna see.
So you want to put $50 on that shit?
So you can make it 100.
All
That's
right,
all you
bro.
got is 50?
So you didn't just see that?
You want him trip?
No, my man's dunked on your man's.
That was cute.
Every night the school security guard would cut down our crates. Trash it behind the school, all tournament weekend. He trash it, we throw up another night after night. I knew he was mad, but oh well, show must go on. And Manny, the kid was quiet, but he always had a plan. GM type, never the player, but always up to something. All tournament, he was on the sidelines collecting crates, didn't know why. Shit, I didn't ask either. One by one, each team fell. Me and my brother Isaac were cooking. The closer we get to the shoes, the higher the desperation, the fouls harder. I had to keep those, keep it pushing.
Come on, bro. Big boy game, bro. Hey! Get up! Hey! Hey, one! Hold that shit. Check that shit up.
Before they even knew what happened, we made it to the semis. Mike and Kadeem versus me and my brother. Mike's jumper was already suspect. Kadeem had no left, so that's exactly where we took it. And soon enough, we were on top. And when we made it to the finals and my brother put me up to play, I only had one thing on my mind. Don't lose. Kadeem was bigger, stronger, older, all that. If I was smart, I would have been intimidated, but I knew his game, and I knew I put in more work than he did. The whole neighborhood came out. Even my mama. But getting blocked in front of the block, man. Came too far, fought too hard. I couldn't go out like that. Tried to tell him, gang. All in all, what I learned back then that summer is talk will always be the cheapest thing on the market. The only way to get respect is to earn it. And the only thing worse than losing is not shooting your shot in the first place.